Haven't chatted with you for a while, so let's talk today. Why did I build this dream garage? It's my 20th year working in this industry of vehicles. I joined Auto Home in 2004 as an editor. Then through my constant effort, which was pretty tough, I made some basic achievements. So I began to do my own business, which means I used to be an editor, an entrepreneur, and managed a huge group which had hundreds of people. But when I grew older, I could not feel I was doing it for myself. Since now I'm capable of doing it, I still want to be myself again. What is the self for a man who is interested in vehicles? Actually, for me, I like to enjoy those things, to buy my favorite cars, put them together, and usually use them to make them clean and pretty. Put my devices neatly all together. All kinds of smart devices. That is the narrow goal for me to build this dream garage for myself. To fulfill my requests, when the garage was finished, if I was just for my hobbies and requests, why didn't I make full use of such a good garage? So I thought about it and modified the plan for the garage. In the beginning, there was no place for the professional videoing. The light film in the place is better than the other places. I just want to use it to offer you more good programs. To fulfill your values matters the most. To help you to get to know the best vehicles, the best information, as well as the most and the latest funny ways and stuff is my value as a content blogger. Therefore, I'm going to start a topic you want to match the most. It's called HanLu's 1000 Cars campaign. We will score them by comparing the details, so it may help you choose and use the cars. If my programming helps you to choose better cars you are more interested accurately, my fulfillment will be larger than the happiness of building a mere garage. Right? In the meantime, it's still about garage. I've thought about like what I asked you in the comment, if I could give you some things as gifts. I've decided to buy you more cars. Doesn't it sound intriguing? So, about the campaign of 1000 cars, what cars would you like to see? And what are your dream cars? Tell me in the comments so I can make a detailed plan. My business is to help you and me to fulfill our dreams.